Just imagine, 30 days from now, you wake up stronger, smarter, more focused. Not the same person the world gave up on, but the version you were always meant to become. If you're between 13 and 25, this might be the most powerful video you'll ever watch. Not because it'll motivate you for 5 minutes, but because it'll show you the exact process to change your life, like it changed mine. Here's the truth. Nobody's coming to save you. If you want to grow, you must disappear from the noise and build yourself in silence. Start with this 30-day challenge. Wake up early and take cold showers. Train your body every single day. Create a daily schedule and stick to it. Face your insecurities. Fix what you can. Accept what you can't. Meditate. Eat clean. Cut off distractions. And most importantly, stay silent. Let your results do the talking. While others grow, you build. While they sleep, you sled. They won't notice your progress until it's too late. Because real power is quiet. Real growth doesn't seek attention, it seeks purpose. 30 days, that's all it takes to transform your focus, discipline, and mindset. But only if you show up every single day. No excuses, no shortcuts. So today, ask yourself, will you keep surviving like everyone else? Or will you disappear now and return like thunder? The choice is yours.